Hello everyone, hope you're all fine. Welcome back to my kitchen by Nana. So today I'm sharing with you a very simple spaghetti recipe. I always do this when I don't have time, when I'm on rush hour, because as you all know, spaghetti cooks for a very short time. So for my ingredients, I'll be using 250 grams of spaghetti. I'll be using 1 medium size onion, 1 tablespoon tomato paste, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, and 1/4 teaspoon of coriander powder. So right now I'm frying the onions in some oil. I've used about 2 tablespoons of oil, and then add the tomato paste and mix very well. We want it to lose the sweetness that it has, so fry it for about 2 minutes. After the 2 minutes, I will then be adding the dry ingredients, which is coriander and turmeric powder, which is 1/4 spoon each, and 1/4 spoon of salt, and then I'll cook them shortly before I add the spaghetti. In case you have last minute visitors, this is something you can easily put together, and trust me, they will love it. Or in case you're in a hurry, you're going somewhere, this is something you can as well put together. Fry the ingredients shortly and then add the spaghetti to the pan. So in this specific recipe, I'm going to be adding the spaghetti before I add the water to the pan, and I'll be using 1 cup of water, which is approximately half a liter of water. Then mix everything well, and then I'm going to cover the pan with a lid because I want the spaghetti to boil. So when the spaghetti boils, I'll reduce the heat and I'll let it dry. So after drying, I'll open the lid because I need all the moisture in the saucepan to evaporate, because I want it dry. In case you leave the lid on, your spaghetti may become a little bit soggy. Yeah, that is why I remove the lid and let all the water to evaporate. You shouldn't worry about stirring or mixing your spaghetti. It actually helps it not to become sticky. So this has been our short video, and I hope you've liked it. This is a very easy recipe to put together, and trust me, the results are very good. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my kitchen by Nana. Also, don't forget to check out my other videos. Thank you for watching. Have a lovely day.